X and y are both integers, and the product of x, y is positive. That means that if we have x and y as a pair of integers, they are either both positive, because x times y is a positive number, or they're both negative. These are not faces, these are two plus signs. Because remember, a positive times a positive equals a positive number, a negative times a negative equals a negative number. Which of the answer choices tells us that it absolutely must be two positive numbers? Choice A only tells us about x, that can't be it. Choice B only tells us about y. Choice E tells us that the two of them are greater than 0, but it's possible to have a positive and a negative number. You know, if x is quite large and positive and y is negative and quite small, you'll still end up with greater than 0, and they won't be the same sign. Ditto x minus y. If x is the negative, or if x is a positive number and or even a negative number, let's just say x is -1 and y is -100, subtracting -100 will give you a positive 99 for this problem, even though both numbers are negative. But you can choose different ones, so that can't be it. You can get different ones where x and y are both not the same sign. Finally, choice C, of course, process of elimination got us to this one, but here, when we divide x by y, the number is positive. That basically is telling us also, well, if x times y is positive, x divided by y likewise must be positive because they are both the same sign. So it must be choice C. Choice C is another way of saying this part here, the xy is positive.